Students, now let us talk about an important concept in warehousing that is known as sortation. Sortation in simple terms means sorting out different SKUs or different items in the warehouse. Mechanized sortation can be undertaken as an integral part of a conveyor system. So mechanized sortation would be the one in which some labor would be used as well as some mechanical equipment would be used as well. So conveyors would be used along with the picking by the laborers. So mechanized sortation could be one thing, and it would be an integral part of any conveyor system. For example, a conveyor may sort to different packing stations by means of pop-up wheels that are raised. When the required cases goes past a conveyor spur, the wheels are then powered at the moment and the case is diverted down the spur. So what actually happens? A conveyor can be used to pack different items. How can this be done? There would be wheels that would actually split when something is moving towards the container. The product is moving, then at the point of packing, the wheels would actually divert some of the cases. Case means SKUs. So that the sortation would be done of different type of SKUs. There can be sliding shoe sorters. There can be bomb bay sorters. Sliding shoe sorters would be normally used on the traditional or conventional conveyor belts or conveyor systems. Bomb bay sorters are used for dot bins, and normally these are for the sortation of the couriers or the mail. Then there are tilt tray sorters as well, which would be inclined and tilted trays, which would be used for sorting different type of SKUs, but the smaller SKUs. And then there are cross belt sorters as well, in which cross belts would be going and different type of SKUs would be moving across those belts. This is a typical example of a slide shoe sorter. You can see that different SKUs are moving on a conveyor belt or a conveyor system, and actually shoe will divert the different SKU for. This is actually sorting. You are sorting different SKUs, not manually, but using a mechanized system. So these are the thing that is actually diverting that SKU, that box, or would be the one which is the slide shoe sorter, and it is extensively used. This mechanized sortation mechanism is very important in sortation at the warehouses. So students, we have seen the process of sortation in warehouses and some applications of it. Thank you.